Hello, for this assignment I need you to head to my webpage and click on the link Lunar Timeline Assignment. When you do so, it basically describes that you're going to be researching different missions that the United States has conducted to the moon. The main ones I want you to focus on are these ones here, the Surveyor, Apollo, Clementine, and Lunar Prospector. Once you find out information about those missions, you're going to create a timeline of your research. If you look on this webpage, it says your timeline should have, basically the mission, what the objectives are, what were the results, and if you can find an image from the web that best represents that mission, that would be very helpful. You can use really any resources that you want, but I recommend using this site. This site here has two versions. Just go right to the text version, and you'll notice there's a ton of different missions here. We're focusing on the Surveyor, the Apollo, Clementine, and Lunar Prospector. But of these, I want you to focus on Surveyor 1, 5, 6, 7. And there's many Apollo missions, but these are the ones that really led up to landing on the moon, and then landing on the moon would be 8, 10, and 11. If you have extra time and you're feeling enthusiastic, you can do the remaining Apollo missions, but that would be extra. And then lastly, Clementine and Lunar Prospector. So that should be a total of 10 different items. Now, if I click on one of these, we'll try that again. I apologize. If we click on one of these, it gives you a bunch of information about that mission. You hit the next button to continue on. If you want to print it out, you're welcome to do that. And basically what we're looking for is why did we spend millions of dollars for this? What information did it tell us? What did it lead up to? So if we go back to my web page here, the grading rubric is right here. So you can check it out, where basically 8 to 10 events thoroughly done would give you the maximum points. And the last thing I want to show you is something that is you may be interested in doing, and it's called Tiki Taki, which is kind of a silly name, but it's a free timeline maker, and they give you one free timeline. So if you check out the one that I've already made, you'll notice that when you view it, it gives you information about the timeline, and then you can add images. Of course, you have the dates, and then also it shows you whatever you have typed in here. It provides links to other locations, so where it says find out more, if you click this, it'll hyperlink out back to where I got the information from. And you can do it for anything. It's quite easy. When you're done, you can even print it as one continuous document, and you can see all the silly things I was doing, like Mr. Roberts Comes to the USA and Senior Prom. I was just giving other examples here. So it's a tool you may want to consider using. This is not meant to last forever. I gave class time today to work on this. I'm going to give you another class period to work on this, and hopefully that's it. The main idea is for you to develop an understanding of how our understanding of basically the universe has been increased through the use of technology, much like these probes and these manned and unmanned missions. So that is it. Feel free to email if you have any questions. All right, talk to you soon.